This is non-stick, right? I'm going to prepare a dish called Urap, and it's typically eaten with rice, and in Malaysia, in Kelantan, they usually call it nasi ulam. Urap essentially means mixed vegetables, and it's a very healthy option when I have vegetarian friends coming over to the house. This is one of the dishes that I will prepare. To start with, I have here a bowl of Beansprout and some long beans. I will chop it up into small pieces. This is how I will chop it up. And this is a wing bean. You can actually just remove the top. When you remove the top, you see that there is this strand that will actually come out together with it. So that is fibrous, so you can remove that. And then again, same thing as a long bean, just slice it thinly. So that's the wing bean. And then what I have here is some Thai basil. For this one, I really want it to be quite finely sliced, so I will actually roll it all up into a bunch. This is Laksa Leaf or daun kasum. Again, same thing as the Thai basil. Another thing that gives it a very refreshing taste is the ginger torch flower, bunga kantan. The other things that you need to slice up is actually one big red onion, some lime, grated coconut, sambal belachan, and some sugar. Okay, now that we have prepped the vegetable, we're going to start toasting the grated coconut. So you just heat up a pan, and without any oil, you just need to put in the grated coconut. So keep stirring it so that it doesn't, the bottom bits don't get burned. This is the only part where you have to be a little bit patient to make sure that the grated coconut is evenly toasted. Ideally use a non-stick pan. This is non-stick, right? Patience. I think this is about the consistency that I'm looking for. Slightly light brown. Now I'm going to add in the sambal belachan. I'm just going to mix it with the grated coconut. Okay. Add in about 1 teaspoon of brown sugar. That looks about right. I will switch off the fire, and at this point I'm going to squeeze in 1 whole lime. I'm going to take this off the heat and let it cool down a little bit before we mix it in together with the vegetable, because you don't want the heat to actually cook up the vegetable. You want the vegetable to remain fresh and crunchy. From here, I'm going to add in the minced up laksa leaf and the minced up Thai basil, as well as the ginger torch flower, bunga kantan. And from here, I'm just going to mix it all up. Slice onion. In fact, when you're mixing it, you can also use your hand to scrunch it up a little to release some of the moisture and aroma and flavors as well. So that is the mix, and then now it's just about tossing all the other vegetable in. Long beans, wing beans, mix it up again. And lastly, you have the Beansprout.
Oh, the Beansprout is raw.
It's raw. Okay, and that's it. I'm going to plate this together with some rice. How are you going to plate this? So the urap is done. So this is how I would typically serve it, with rice, keropok, and some salted egg. But if it's too simple, you need some protein, you could also serve it with the Ikan Singgang, or even Ayam, Lemak, Cili. And for vegetarian, you can actually also eat this with the Kicap manis tempeh. Hope you guys enjoy it.